Whether it's one shot or a full sequence, Wonder Studio analyzes and captures everything from body motion, lighting, compositing, camera motion, and it even tracks the actor's facial performance. All the artist needs is a camera. Filmmaking is a medium of creativity and collaboration between artists. There's no AI that can replace that.
Now you can easily create a 3D character of your own videos as in a Hollywood movies by using a VFX in your browser. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new tool to share with you all. It's called Wonder Dynamics and it's revolutionary the way we interact with the artificial intelligence. So let's dive in and see what Wonder Dynamics is all about. So let's go into its website. It's here, Wonder Dynamics. So it's all about an AI tool that automatically animates lights and composes CG character into a real life action. So what you can do, you can simply use VFX Studio now in your browser. So let's before have a look so that you could have a proper understanding what it is all about. So it is just simply about you can see over here there that a man is able to I will be able to capture any video of my itself and just upload the video, drag and drop and select any 3D character, or also we can just add our own 3D character. Otherwise we can take any which is already specified 3D character and we can modify. Just it will get processed within few minutes, and the video that you have created similarly that a 3D animated video will also be generated, which will look exactly the same, but it will be in the 3D character that you have selected. All the movements of the human body and the 3D character will be similar as you can see over here. So you can now all those VFX which were done in the Hollywood movies, you can easily do it by Wonder Dynamics. You can just simply upload your videos and you can create the 3D character of your VFX. This was a small demo. So apart from that, now no need to work shot by shot. Just upload your CG character model to one shot as an entire scene, and the system will automatically detect cuts and track the actor throughout the sequence. Now no need to do a heavy frame by frame VFX work. The system will automatically detect the actor performance based on the single camera footage. Then it takes the performance and transfer it to the CG character of your own choice. Automatically animates and composes. So here are few features of, let's have a look on it, where a human body is running and a 3D character is also running in the similar manner. It is capturing all the body movements. The next feature is about the lighting and composing. It is a 3D character video has been created, but it's the lighting is dull or not clear enough, so the lighting the composing quality will be increase of the video. The 3D character video will be created from your video. Apart from that, the next feature is about the face, how the movement of human body have recorded the video. The similar manner the face of a 3D animated video will also be acted in the similar way. How the movement of the eyes, how all those lip sync and those things are similar in both the human body and the 3D character. Next is about the real ID, where the two people can are interactive with each other. So the one person and another person, both the 3D character will be created for both the person while interacting parallelly. So next feature is about the hand movement, where you can see the gesture of the hand is getting moved as of a human body who is explaining something. Similarly, the video has been recorded and its 3D character has been created by this Wonder Dynamics, and the movement of the hand is similar to the recording of the human itself. So the next feature is about the advanced retargeting, where a person is here you can see in the video where a person is wanted to have a lift, so it is taking the lift. So the 3D character model which has been created, it is also asking the lift for the lift, and everything is similar. The body posture or anything movement, all those things is similar to the human body, the recording which we have created. So here are few we can few individual elements which we need to cover up. So we can see over here that the how the body position is getting captured, how the motion is getting happened, all those things is getting captured similarly in the 3D character also. And the next is about the character, how each of the character, how much the human body is running, how fast he is in jumping, and all those things motion will be covered in a 3D animated video also. But the next is about the alpha. It will just clear out us how the movement, it will mark the human body, and similarly it will add the 3D character over there. It will clean the plate before adding. After just masking it, it will first clean the plate and then it will add the 3D character. See here in the next feature of the camera tag. And then it will blender the file. All those things will be rendered in a similar manner, and then a final render will be happen of the video. You can see the final recording is there in the video. So this was a few masses which I want to interact you all. So this was the best AI tool where we can use easily with to as Wonder Dynamics quickly. It is a game changer in the world of AI powered videos. So it helps, its capabilities must try, and all the content creator must try it. So now we can say goodbye to all the complicated 3D video software and its time consuming learning curve. So we can easily use these things in our Hollywood movies, how everything was using earlier. So everything has becoming easier day by day by using AI. You must try this software, and you can have to log in and you can try this. Thanks all. Just subscribe my channel, like my channel, and I will be back soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.